Welcome to Porsche Jacksonville. My name is Chad, and today I'll be showing you this beautiful 2018 911 Turbo S in chalk. Porsche has always promised performance, and this 911 Turbo S keeps that promise in an exceptionally impressive way, with a 3.8-liter twin-turbo six-cylinder engine that has even larger turbochargers than the 911 Turbo. Developing 580 horsepower and 553 foot-pound of torque, you will accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a breathtaking 2.8 seconds and continue all the way to a top track speed of 205 miles per hour. The design of the 911 Turbo S is accentuated in a number of ways, especially when optioned with the Turbo Era kit, which features a more aggressive front spoiler, painted side skirts, a fixed rear spoiler, and a painted rear fascia. The rear lid grille with vertical slats attracts admiring glances, as do the three-dimensional taillights, the reflector units integrated into the air outlets, and the powerfully shaped twin tailpipes in black chromed stainless steel. The 20-inch Sport Classic wheels painted in high-gloss black deliver exceptional performance. The interior is just as dynamic as the exterior, making the emotions associated with motorsport tangible. This GT Sport steering wheel with optional multifunction controls is derived from the 918 Spyder Super Sports Car. It comes with gear shift paddles for ergonomic gear changes and the Sport Chrono package, including mode switch for 4 different driving modes. The Adaptive Sport Seats Plus with Sport Tech seat centers offer a high level of comfort and extra lateral support. The full leather interior is complemented with deviated stitching in silver, as well as the interior trim painted in the chalk exterior color. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video of our 2018 Porsche 911 Turbo S. Again, my name is Chad here at Porsche Jacksonville. For more exclusive content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.